Student, this is a program. Write a program to print the sum of each diagonal into double dimension array of an order of 3 into 3. Means 9 locations are there in such a way. Okay. So what I am saying in this question, you have to find the sum of this diagonal. This is the left diagonal, and you have to find the sum of this diagonal. Okay. So what is the concept? I am writing the program for the left diagonal. So concept is, first you see what is the address of left diagonal. Okay. So what is the address of leftmost diagonal is 0, 0, 1, 1 and 2, 2. See here, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 2, 2. So you can understand in this way. Suppose array is A, 0 is the first row, this is a box for the column, A11, A2, 2, this is 2 and then 2, okay, 2, 2. So how you will move in these addresses, that is important. So what is the value of rows and column are same. What we are finding here? Value of row and column is same. This is 0, 0. This is 0, 0. Okay. This is 1, 1 and this is 2, 2. So step 1, declaration and creation you can do. Step 2, storing values you can do. Step 3 is a problem solving. So what is the problem? How we will visit? Again I am telling you, the concept is how can you move on those addresses. If you will find out the sequence of that one, so you can do the program. So what we find the clue, we find that row and columns are same. So very simple program. This is a very simple program. So you write outer loop, inner loop. So what is the concept? Concept is, if I is equal to j, are you getting me? If I is equal to j means row and column. If the address of row and column is same, you have to do the sum. So s is equal to s plus aij. Then when you will come out from, or you will exit from the outer loop, you will write sum is equal to plus s, and this is the program for addition of left diagonal. Okay. So important point is address. In the same way here, see, suppose we have to print the sum of right diagonal. Right diagonal means I am talking about this one. So this is 0, 2, this is 1, 1 and this is 2, 0. Again go for the addresses. Addresses are A02, then A11, then A20. Okay. So first box for row and second box for column. So you study about the address of row. So row is increasing 0, 1, 2. See here, 0, 1, 2, because the first box is for row and second box is for column, 2, 1, 0. So rows are increasing and columns are decreasing. So for writing the program, step 1 and step 2 will be same, and in step 3 what we have to do, I am taking only one loop, because for row I am taking one variable r is equal to 0. Okay. int c is equal to 2, c greater than or equal to 0, then c minus 1. What I am doing, s is equal to s plus ar. The value of r is equal to 0. Okay. Then c is 2, 0, 2. 0, 2 means I am talking about this address. So this the value of 0, 2 will be added into the s. Then after that, what we have to do? We have to do r is equal to, okay, r plus 1. Okay, r is equal to r plus means first we have written 0 0 2, second we have to write 1 1. So when we will write r is equal to r plus 1, so the value of r will become 1. When we will go here, we will take the value c is equal to 1. In second step, s is equal to s plus a 1 1. So value will be added, and after adding the value, sum will be done. And these are the some important points. Okay, you have to keep in your mind. So this is a program for sum of left diagonal and right diagonal. Okay, thank you.